Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Lee, and today I thought I should catch up on you guys because it's been a minute since I made some frequent upload on my YouTube channel. I've just been focusing on other things other than, you know, YouTube and stuff like that. So without being said, behind me there is a broom here. As you guys can see, there is a broom waiting to be used by me. So I want to take you guys on a spend a productive morning with me. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and be sure to like it, subscribe, comment, share, and yeah, enjoy. As I'm cleaning the house, I thought, okay, let me just make it a story time for you guys. 4 years ago, I came in Dubai. That was like in 2019 September, and I met a friend by the airport, which, you know, I thought we were going to be sisters for life because her situation and my situation are basically like the same. Both of us were coming here to look for a job, and you know, we got stuck at the airport. We almost missed our flight in Kenya because we were being funny, goofy. You know, it felt like we'd known each other for quite some time, and everything was just flawless between the two of us. Fast forward, we came in Dubai, and I remember I got a job first before she got a job, and yeah, we just became friends from there. Fast forward to when we were not friends anymore. Oh my gosh, I think the reason why I'm telling you the story is because, you know, we often meet people in our lives and we think they're going to stay forever. We're going to be sisters, friends, best friends, soulmates, whatever, forever. And we don't realize that, you know, not everyone is in your life to stay. Not everyone is in your life, you know, for forever. Not everyone is going to stay in your life for a longer period of time. Other people, we meet them along the way because they're travel buddies, and after the journey they just go their way and we go our way. We go separate ways. So that's just about life. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, because this is a weird video for me, to be honest. I'm not used to recording this kind of vlogs. As always, if you know me, you know that I always start my day with a glass of coffee. So it's still a bit hot. I'm gonna continue mopping and cleaning the house while this coffee is cooling down, and then yeah.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me.
Story time number 2. So 2 weeks into Dubai, and I've been throwing applications in different sectors, different industries, hotels, restaurants. I've been throwing CVs everywhere, and I got an invite to this other restaurant that looked like they were renovating it and they were making some changes so that they could start. So they say, they told us that they were recruiting people and they were supposed to open their restaurant first month of November. So the moment we got there, there was a lady who was working there. So when our batch started, they fired that lady, and we didn't know why they fired that lady. 3 days into working in that restaurant, we just discovered that it was a scam. Oh my gosh. Tell me why I felt so used. Like, how do you use people? How do you take advantage of people and use them to clean a restaurant that wasn't even open? Only God knows if they, you know, in fact opened that restaurant, but they didn't open. They used me for three days, which felt like 3 years, because It was terrible. Remember, I wasn't working back in my country. So in this country, I just came. This is my first job, so I thought. And I just found out they were scamming me. Do you know, guys, I was scrubbing the walls because, we're getting ready for the restaurants to open. I was literally scrubbing walls for like 14 hours in those 3 days. It felt like a nightmare. Turns out those guys were just scammers. They were scamming people out of their money. They'll use you to clean the restaurant, and when it's time to, when they find other people to use, they just tell you that you failed your probation, we can't move on with you. And it was just terrible. That's when I got my first shock about how the hiring industry works in Dubai. If you're not careful, they will definitely scam you. And by scam you, I don't mean only about money, like they'll ask for money, but they can use you to work on your visit visa, promising you to make visa for you in a certain period of time. They can ask you to work for a week or 2 weeks to see if you can pass the probation period. They'll call it the probation period. In those 2 weeks, they're exhausting your visa. So when they're done with you and they've found another person to use, they'll just tell you you're not doing a proper job and suck you out of it. What happens to you? You have exhausted your visa. You have wasted time on your visa because you thought you had found a job. You thought they were going to make visa for you. And that's just the reality of life here in Dubai.
We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good.
So I'm partially done with the dishes, as you guys can see, and I went to change and put on these trousers. So it's a tracksuit because yesterday I left the door open for a long time and I got some mosquito bites when I was washing the dishes. So guys, I screwed up. I made a big mistake because normally I don't eat breakfast before I'm done with other stuff, or else I'm going to be lazy. But since I had breakfast, now I'm feeling lazy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna challenge myself. I'll set a timer because this is around 10 a.m. I'm gonna set a timer for an hour because I'm left with laundry. I want to do laundry. I want to clean up the kitchen and I want to clean up upstairs. I'll take you guys through that. So there's still a lot of things to do, but I don't want this video to be an hour long. So I'm gonna try to be as quick as I can. So I'll set a timer for exactly 1 hour, and within an hour I should be done with the kitchen, I should be done with the balcony, and I should be done with our bedroom and my brother's bedroom and the laundry. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but let's keep the challenge rolling. Let's do it.
Kinda turn me upside down. I just don't know what to do.
I also need to take out the trash.
So it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about. And I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gonna miss her so, I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. She came from, it kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, sprinkle one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
phone is currently acting up because of storage, so I really wanted to take you guys upstairs when I'm cleaning the balcony and when I'm doing laundry, but unfortunately I think that's gonna be a part 2 of this video. It's gonna be separate, so I will stop recording from now. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on part 2 of Spend a Productive Morning with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Bye.